Welcome back, Stupid Dope. This is Brian's mama's house. We're making some pesto slaw. In here we got some salami, we got some pepper, we got some carrot, we got a little bit of cole. What do you call that in English? No, English. Cabbage. We got some cabbage. All right. She looks like that girl from Don John, whatever you call that.
Scarlett Johansson.
She was Scarlett Johansson.
They look anything alike.
They don't know Scarlett Johansson.
Definitely catching a quarter chub right now.
That's 2008.
That's it? That's all you got? What's wrong with you? For the pesto, all you really need is a little bit of mint, because I love mint, a lot of basil, some garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. A little bit of mint, you don't need too much. People talk about ganja all day, but I'm telling you, mint is the best weed. It grows in the desert, it grows in the mountains, it grows in the swamps. All you gotta do is pick it up and put it down and it's gonna plant. Just tight. People like using pine nuts and stuff. Honestly, when I'm making the pesto, I really like to put a little bit of fresh onion in there. It gives a little bit of bite and a little bit of sweetness that you don't often get in your pesto. Extra virgin. A little bit of balsamic vinegar, my friends. You can honestly use any type of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is really good. Rice. Alright, impartial taste tester. That's real good.
It's really spicy.
Shit, yeah, it's really spicy, man. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. They clean easier than every other substance on earth. Call the doctor. I'm not going to school today.
Spend another day without. Spend another day without.
Eating a clove of garlic.
Spend another day without.
Reunite. May not reunite, but at least half an hour every night.
It would smell for a while.
To face another day without her.